Today, we're taking you inside a slipper factory. Discover how comfortable slippers are made, step by step, from raw materials to the final product. Let's explore the entire manufacturing process.
The process begins with the arrival of raw materials. EVA foam and rubber are commonly used because they are lightweight, flexible, and durable.
Before production starts, factory staff inspect the materials to ensure they meet quality standards. Color pigments are blended with the material to create slippers in different attractive shades.
The material is heated until it reaches the right consistency for molding. The heated material is injected into molds that determine the shape and size of the slipper soles. After molding, the soles are cooled to strengthen their structure and maintain their shape.
Any extra material left from the molding process is carefully removed to create a neat finish.
The soles are polished and refined to improve both appearance and comfort. Small holes are made in the soles to prepare them for the attachment straps. The slipper straps are manufactured using flexible materials designed for comfort and durability. The straps are securely attached to the soles, completing the basic slipper structure.
Every pair undergoes quality inspection to ensure proper size, appearance, and durability. Approved slippers are cleaned, labeled, and packed for shipment to stores and customers.
From simple raw materials to finished footwear, this is how slippers are made in a factory. Thank you for watching.